Hello everyone. Today we'll be taking a look at the ages or literary periods in English literature and the major writers of each age. This will be useful especially for the degree and PG students when they start learning to know the history of English literature and all the authors seem to confuse them. That is, they get confused as to which authors belong to which age. So this is a precise video about each of the ages and each of the major important writers. Not all writers are covered, but the very important writers of each age are covered in this video. So let's go straight into the video. Ages of English literature. First is the Old English period or the Anglo-Saxon period. It ranges from 450 to 1066, and in 1066 the Norman conquest happened, and from then on the Middle English period begins. Middle English period is from 1066 to 1500. Age of barrenness or non-productivity or age of darkness is from 1400 to 1515, wherein no major works were produced in English literature. Then comes the very renowned Elizabethan age from 1558 to 1603, the Jacobean age from 1603 to 1625, Caroline age 1625 to 1649, 1642 theatres were closed, don't forget that. Commonwealth period 1649 to 1660, the age of restoration 1660 to 1700. The age of restoration happened in 1660, wherein Charles II was restored to power. Okay. Augustan age 1700 to 1745. The age of sensibility 1745 to 1785. Romantic period 1785 to 1832. Victorian period 1832 to 1901. Edwardian period 1901 to 1914. Georgian period 1910 to 1936. The war poets all come during the Edwardian and Georgian period. Modern period from 1914 to say around the postmodern and modern writers get mingled with each other. The postmodern means after the Second World War, the writers who emerged after the Second World War from 1945 till present. Okay. So, Old English period or Anglo-Saxon period from 450 to 1066. One of the major works of the period, an Old English epic poem, was Beowulf. Beowulf is not a writer, but it is a major epic poem during the period. The other writers of this period include Caedmon, Cynewulf, etc. Now moving on to the Middle English period, in 1066 Norman conquest happened and the Middle English period ranges from 1066 to 1500. The major writers of the period are Chaucer. Chaucer's contemporaries include Gower, Wycliffe, Wycliffe's Bible, Langland, William Langland, the Morning Star of Reformation, Lydgate, Occleve, etc. were the major writers of Middle English period. 1400 to 1515 is known as the age of barrenness or non-productivity or the age of darkness because no major works were produced during this period. Even then we can trace some writers of this period: Thomas More, Desiderius Erasmus, Thomas Malory, Tyndale, Tottle, etc. Tottle's Miscellany of Wiat Surrey's Sonnets. It's a compilation of the sonnets of Wiat Surrey, Tottle's Miscellany. Then Tyndale also came up with the Bible. Desiderius Erasmus, Thomas Malory, etc. were other writers of the period. Now comes the Elizabethan age from 1558 to 1603. Major writers of the period were Christopher Marlowe, Spenser, Shakespeare, Sidney, Walter Raleigh. The university which came during this period: Marlowe, Nash, Thomas Kyd, Green, Peel, Lodge, Liley, etc. Now the Jacobean period from 1603 to 1625. The major writers of the same are Donne, Drayton, Webster, Ben Jonson, and King James translation of the Bible also comes during this period in 1611 particularly. Caroline Age 1625 to 1649. Caroline Age was ruled by Charles I. The major writers of this period are Milton, Burton, George Herbert, etc. Then comes Commonwealth period 1649 to 1660. In 1642, the major theatres were closed. 1649-1660 period was ruled by Oliver Cromwell, wherein Charles I was killed and Oliver Cromwell, the Puritan leader, came to power. The major writers of the age are Milton, Hobbes, Fuller, Abraham Cowley, Andrew Marvell, etc. The Age of Restoration. In 1660, Charles II, the son of Charles I, was restored to power, and the Age of Restoration comes from 1660 to 1700, wherein comedy of manners was propagated so much, and comedy writers like William Congreve and all was very much acclaimed. The other writers include Dryden, Locke, Bunyan, etc. Augustan Age 1700 to 1745. Alexander Pope, Jonathan Swift, Daniel Defoe, etc. were the major writers of Augustan Age. Then the Age of Sensibility 1745 to 1785. Major writers are Samuel Johnson. Samuel Johnson's biography written by James Boswell, Gibbon, Burke, Henry Fielding, Samuel Richardson, Tobias Smollett, Lawrence Sterne and the like. Henry Fielding, Samuel Richardson, Tobias Smollett, Lawrence Sterne were the four wheels of novel. They are the major figures who came up with the genre of novel. Now comes the Romantic period from 1785 to 1832. Writers were influenced by the French Revolution during this period. The major figures, Wordsworth and Coleridge, came up with their very famous lyrical ballads in 1798. Other writers include Blake, Byron, Shelley, Mary Shelley, Keats, Mary Wollstonecraft, Jane Austen, etc. Now comes the Victorian period 1832 to 1901. The major writers of the period were Robert Browning, his wife Elizabeth Browning, Tennyson. The pre-Raphaelite poets included D.G. Rossetti, Millais, William Holman Hunt, William Morris, etc. Matthew Arnold, John Ruskin, Charles Dickens, George Eliot, whose original name was Mary Ann Evans, Thackeray, Samuel Butler, etc. were the major writers of Victorian period. Now comes the Edwardian period 1901 to 1914, wherein the world was under the turbulence of a world war. There was a major disturbance in the writings of the authors as well. This disturbance in the mental attitude of the writers was reflected in their works as well. And the major writers include Ford Madox Ford, Rudyard Kipling, H.G. Wells, Henry James, W.B. Yeats, G.B. Shaw, Galsworthy, etc. The Georgian period from 1910 to 1936, the major war poets comes during this period. The major writers were John Masefield, Rupert Brooke, W.H. Davis, etc. Then the modern period witnessed writers like James Joyce, Virginia Woolf, D.H. Lawrence, Joseph Conrad, E.M. Foster, Carol Churchill, Samuel Beckett, Dylan Thomas, T.S. Eliot, Doris Lessing, Harold Pinter, Tom Stoppard. There are many more, but the major ones were these. And the postmodern writers are also a huge list, but the very famous ones among those are Vladimir Nabokov, Peter Ackroyd, Salman Rushdie, Angela Carter, etc. So this was a very brief description about the ages in literature. If you want to go attend for an interview, or if you want to just have a brief idea about the ages in literature, who are the major writers from the exam point of view, if you want a quick recap of the writers of each age, hope this video will help you. Do like, share and comment if you like the video. So thank you. That's all for the day. Thank you. If there's any topic that you would like me to discuss with you, please leave a comment below. So I'll make it in the next video. So thank you.